Welcome, bakers. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of a classic Southern treat, peach pound cake. This recipe delivers a moist, tender crumb bursting with the sweet flavor of fresh peaches, perfect for any occasion or a simple afternoon indulgence. You'll need unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and large eggs for richness. For the dry components, gather all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. The star of the show is ripe, fresh peaches, peeled and diced, along with a touch of vanilla extract to enhance all the flavors. Begin by creaming your softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for achieving that signature tender cake texture. Gradually beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, alternate adding the dry mixture and milk to the butter mixture, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix just until combined, being careful not to overmix. Finally, gently fold in your diced peaches. Pour the batter into a prepared bundt or loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The incredible aroma alone will be irresistible as it bakes. Once baked, let your pound cake cool slightly in the pan before inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. For an extra touch of sweetness, drizzle with a simple peach glaze or a dusting of powdered sugar. This cake is truly a slice of summer, ready to be enjoyed.